Back at West Newbiggin, been invited again by John and Dougie. I'm going up to have a shot in the Mary Rouse first. A bit breezy, it'll help disguise some of the bad casting. I've got my 8 this time. Just hopefully I'll find something nice to put in it. There is somebody on the other bank, and hopefully they've waited long enough to let them down the water a bit. So just going behind them. There is somebody in the top of the Mary Rouse, so I'll go down the back of the island and give them a chance to get down a wee bit. Follow them down. It did rain a wee bit last night, but I don't think the river's up here. It's risen quite a bit further upstream, but the time it comes down here, it'll probably not make that much difference. The other angler's just gone back to change his glasses, so I've said I'll wait and let him go back in again. It's only good manners to do that. I think he must have put wrong specs on. So I'll just stand and watch him for a while. Well, Andy's got back in the water. I'll let him get down a bit and then I'll follow him. I've told him not to rush. Andy's moved down a wee bit, so I'll maybe go in behind him. Time I get over there, hopefully it's another step or two. Got on the same 2 flies as I had on Friday. Just Newbiggin Island. Quite long, probably about 10 foot, and a 10 foot floating pulley leader. The flies up near the surface. That's a salmon that splashed away down there. Not a very big one, but definitely a salmon. Strange, I thought I would have seen more fish.
two.
I saw one there just now.
Another one just after it, just rippled the top.
Right. I think we're disturbing them. We've got them surrounded.
Enough to bite my hook.
Haha. We've got them surrounded. I think this will be the last cast. Andy's wanting to get in there with the spinner, so I'll just leave it for him. Is that you got your rod set up?
Yeah.
Right. Give me a shout when you're ready, I'll come out. Oh, I don't mind, I can go down a bit. No, I'll have a shot off here, I'll come out. Oh, there's a fish there. Just head back down to the car. Now we go down to the bottom and have a shot. Pop back up here later, maybe get another cast down. I'll go in and have a quick shot in waders before lunchtime, just to fish down here till 1. Fish following the fly there, you could see the wake that it made. Maybe give it 5 minutes and try again. Yeah, it's never come back. There's a nice wee sea trout. Must have disturbed that one. Go down here and have a shot in the streamy water, and then maybe come back and go just a wee bit higher up from where I was in waders, and then see if I can entice that fish to come after the fly again. But I'll just go in, just down here, just a short lane first and fish the nearest wee pot. don't know if it was catching on something or if it was a salmon pulling at the fly. Definitely worth going back a couple of steps and having another shot. Well, I've popped my fly over there about a dozen times and never touched the stone. So I've got to assume that was a fish pulling at the fly. Well, that stone's quite a bit below the surface, and it certainly, our flies wouldn't have hanked in it, so it had to be a fish. Which is a shame. Would have been nice to catch another one. Fish just splashed all the way right down. It's that stone. Got a good trout just splashing there. It's the first decent trout I've seen. It starts to get a wee bit too deep to go much further. I thought I might have seen a couple of fish splashing in this area. Well, come up and see if I can entice this fish that followed. Well, I think I'll maybe go up and have a few casts in the Mary Nows before I go home. See if there's anything new coming there. Salmon just splashed down there. Obviously a disturbed one. There's quite a lot of them in here. Could do with some fresh ones. Just salmon just splashed off the rock there. Mate, it's the last cast, it's time to go home. Severe lack of fish showing. Severe lack of fish grabbing flies.